There are 2-3 ways by which you can check that your car is in the right state or not. So to check all these, I will tell you about that how you can check all that things. So here in the cockpit section or in the driver compartment, open the bonnet, just pull the knob and open the bonnet by inserting your hand inside, and what you have to do is that just push this knob and lift the bonnet section. So this way we have opened our bonnet, and this is our engine compartment. So by seeing our engine compartment, we can check that our car is running in a proper state or not. Every car has a airbox inside which you have a air filter. So just open this clamp and open this, pull this, and now our airbox is ready to be pulled out. So this is our airbox assembly and intake assembly. So what we have to do is to check this air filter, that is it clean or not. If it is not clean, then please clean it, or if it is not clean, then clean it, and if it is clean, then it's okay. So to clean this, what we can do is just hit it into the walls, so that by this hitting action the dust particles can be thrown out. So by doing so in almost a week or a month, you can almost increase your vehicle's mileage up to 4 or 5%, because your car will breathe more fresh air and without more restrictions. So after cleaning it, just put it inside the airbox into its original position, then in the lower position here, that you are seeing that these will fix. So put it inside that its original position. So to fix this, I have done it right, fix it also. But if it is not being fixed, then just open this, runner pipe as a separate assembly, and then first connect this airbox. Look, it is in the perfect position. Now tighten the clamps. Okay, here filter is now clean. Next what we have to do is reposition this runner pipe where it was earlier. So look here, push it, okay, and then fix it into its original place by putting out some force. So what we have checked is our engine oil is in the proper state, and the second thing we have checked is that our air filter is now clean. Third thing you can check out is your batteries. If you have this type of battery, that is lead acid battery, then you can check these batteries for its water level or the electrolyte level. So for checking that thing, you have to just take out a coin and put the coin inside this and open the knobs. So you will see the liquid level inside it. If that liquid level is below this maximum level, just a minute. So if the liquid level is below this maximum level, or in between the minimum level, in between the minimum and maximum level, you can refill this thing by your RO water also, that is a distilled water, that is a fresh water. So you can refill it by that also. So in this way you can keep a check on your vehicle, and also you can get a proper mileage and proper engine life for a for more years. That's all. Thank you.